In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the unknown senders folder on iPhone or iPad. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, by default, the unknown senders folder remains completely hidden from view inside the Messages app until you explicitly authorize iOS to screen your text data packets. So what you want to do is open up your settings application and then scroll down all the way to the bottom and you're going to find apps. Then from here, go ahead and scroll down even more until you find messages. Once you click on it, scroll down until you find the message filtering section block. So we're just going to go ahead and, go to the unknown senders area. Now tap on unknown and spam. And then once you go ahead and click on that, toggle the switch for filter unknown senders to on. So what we want to do is we just want to switch it on where it says screen unknown senders. And then that's it. You should be good to go. And also, once activated, opening the Messages app changes its layout architecture, introducing a new top-level navigation. So all I want to do now is launch the Messages application, and then from here, on the top left corner, tap the filters button, and then you're going to see, or the top right, you're going to see spam, unknown senders as one of those options, and it's going to show every unknown sender. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.